most important skill if you want to learn is the right style of communications. But most of us think that English communication is about just using right words, speaking fluently and confidently. It's not like that. In this video, I'm going to do detailed analysis of the psychology behind great communicators. If you are watching this video, I request you to go and watch two more videos. That is number one, number two. Number one was the passive style of communication and number two was the aggressive style of communication. Dear friends, communication style is a reflection of our inner beliefs, inner thoughts and inner feelings. You have to be very careful about your thoughts and your feelings. In this video, I'm going to tell you what is the right way to communicate. What is the real way, what is the best way to touch the heart of a person and to be more successful in your professional and your personal life also. Don't go anywhere. Watch this video, a detailed analysis I'm going to do. If you really want to master communication, this is the best video for you. Let's move ahead. Dear friends, I'm Sandeep Patil. I have a very important training module for you. If you are interested in this module, listen for 1 minute very carefully. I train students from all over the globe. They join my online batches. The name of the training course is English Communication and Confidence Therapy, a New Approach. I have given all the details in the description, but this course is for those who have low confidence, who have fear while speaking to someone who is senior to them, who aren't able to get the right words at the right place, and who have tried all the methods but any method hasn't worked, including grammar. So if you're looking for a course where you want personal attention from me, I will be personally training you. If you don't want grammar, but still if you want to speak confidently and fluently, then read the description. All the details are given there and my staff members will contact you. Maybe this course will change the way you communicate. It will help you to progress, get more promotions and be an effective communicator. Let us come to this point now, which I was telling, the best way, that is communication style, assertive style of communication. As I told before, that communication, we feel like communication is just fluency, communication is using the right words, communication is just impressing. But communication is connecting actually. You should be able to connect from person to person. It has nothing to do with impressing, but it has to do with connecting. But the question is how to connect, how to be close, how to understand the other person. It's not only about words, it's about thoughts, it's about feelings, it's about beliefs. This is what this communication style is, assertive type of communication. This is the best way to communicate. But of course, we always cannot be assertive. We always cannot be passive. We always cannot be aggressive. We have to change our roles according to the situation. Let me tell you what is assertive kind of communication. In assertive type of communication, these people communicate feelings, thoughts, ideas in an open, honest way without violating the rights of others. Communication is all about expressing your feelings, your thoughts and ideas, also understanding the other's feelings, thoughts, ideas and beliefs in a very sympathetic way also. So these people tell what they feel like, but they respect others' opinion also. They do not violate their rights. Replacement to aggressive. See, in aggressive kind of personality of type of people, they abuse other rights. And on the other side, passive people, they do exactly opposite. They abuse their own rights. So we can say passive are victims and aggressive are offenders. But assertive people are not both. They are in middle. They do not allow anyone to violate their rights. Also, they do not violate others' rights also. This kind of personality is in demand. This kind of people are more successful. This kind of people are more happier. This kind of people achieve more in life. This kind of people are leaders. This kind of people are CEOs. This kind of leaders are sports stars. This kind of people achieve more in life than a person who is having only technical knowledge. People who have good communication skills, good type of communication skills, along with their technical skills are more successful in their life. That we have to understand, friends. Let us go ahead and understand the verbal characteristics. Verbal means the words they use, the tone, the pitch. First one, voice is firm but relaxed. Voice is firm but relaxed. Appropriate to the situation. Their voice is firm but relax. Not like aggressive person or not like passive person. In aggressive, the voice is way high. It's like shouting. Passive is you can't hear also what that person is saying. Tone is middle, rich and warm. The tone of voice. Pitch is ups and downs and the tone. The tone of voice. Tone means the way you speak is middle, rich and warm. People can understand that this person is not trying to abuse me or trying to boss me. They can very easily understand that. Sincere and clear tone is there. Very sincere, clear tone without any manipulation. Very clear tone is there. I sentences are short and clear. That's what I said. Like these people do not beat around the bush. They come to the point and they use the I sentences like very clearly and shortly so that the person will get the message clearly. For example, I want you to do this if you are a boss, or I want you to help me if you need help. Very clear, concise, precise, crispy. Cooperative phrases are there. Like, what's your take on this? Or should we do it together? Cooperative phrases. Cooperative means we want to work together. If you have this kind of words, definitely you can build a good team and work and get support of everyone. Facts and opinions are separated. In aggressive style of communication, opinion is put as a fact. Like this is what I feel and this is the fact. No, this is your opinion. These kind of people say my experience is. So when you say my experience is this doesn't make it as a fact. This is your experience and everyone's experience is different. Everyone has his own way of looking at the world. So here, this kind of people who are assertive, they will not say that this is my opinion, this is my experience. Big difference is there. Another thing is no, should or must. Aggressive people use this should and must a lot. Should and must is like dominating words. You should do this, you must do this. Bossy words. But these people say, would you like to? Or how about doing this way? But it is not, though you are a boss, you can use these words. But the voice is firm, tone is middle, rich and warm. So the right message is conveyed. It's not like passive or it's not like aggressive, the other end. Seeking others' opinion. These kind of people who are assertive, they seek others' opinion. They are not saying like, I'm the boss, so only I am correct. No. How does this fit in your idea? How does this fit in your idea? Opinion. Next one. Constructive criticism without blame. That's very important. They criticize but without personal blaming. Like, I feel angry when you do this. They don't say that I feel angry and I don't like you. You are negative, you are bad. Blame. No. So criticism is done, but in a very constructive way. Dear friends, this is the verbal characteristics. Now I will go ahead and I will tell you about the non-verbal characteristics of these people. Non-verbal is more important. I mean, non-verbal tells more than what you actually are. Non-verbal, it's like, it's a mirror of your mind. Now let's go ahead and see what are the non-verbals. So the non-verbal. In non-verbal, a person who is assertive, his non-verbals are completely different than the person who is aggressive or the person who is passive. You can see the difference. For example, the body features are relaxed when this person is speaking. He is relaxed, his hand movements, his facial expressions are very relaxed. Direct eye contact without staring. He will not stare at you. He will not stare. He will not give that aggressive looks. He will just look at you and then look somewhere else. That staring is not there. Intermittent eye contact is there. You can figure it out when you talk to such person. Open hand gestures. Hand gestures are open. They are not like closed or aggressive. They are open hands. Open hand gestures reflects that you are aggressive, you are assertive, you are not aggressive, or you are not passive. Jaws and facial expressions are relaxed because all your internal feelings come out through your jaws. A person who is aggressive, his jaws are clenched, or his facial expressions are very tense. You can figure out from the body, you can figure out from his eyes. So non-verbal plays a very important role in assertive communication. When you are assertive, your non-verbal must match with the voice also. Thinking style, I told you, this is very important. Thinking style is very important here. Your thinking style, these people have a very nice way of thinking. You can see here, I won't allow you to take advantage of me, and I also accept you as you are. I mean, I will not attack you, but also I will not allow you to take advantage of me. This kind of belief system these people have, and with these thoughts, these people become assertive. Now, I know what you are saying is, sir, that is right, but how to be like this? The next video is there, video number 4, the last video in this communication style. In this video, I will tell you about how to change your belief systems and how to be more assertive where required. Of course, it's wherever it is required. Assertiveness is not like you just go anywhere and be assertive. If your boss is asking you to do some work and you can't say that, sorry, I can't do it. No, he will fire you. So you have to be very careful about it. Payoffs. What are the advantages? What are the payoffs you get? Higher self-esteem. Because self-esteem depends upon how people treat you. And here you don't allow people to take advantage of you. Therefore, you have higher self-esteem. More success in professional life. Of course, when you are more assertive, you are not only liked, but also feared at the appropriate time. Liked and feared, both things come there. Or I will not use the word feared, liked and respected. Fear is a wrong word. Liked and respected. This is very important when you are in your professional life. Better relationships with your closed ones because you are assertive. Those people who are assertive, they express their feelings openly. Therefore, the other person can understand his feelings and there will be no miscommunication, misunderstanding. No mental or emotional problems. People who are passive or aggressive, they are disturbed, stressed, panicked, anxious, in some cases depressed also. These people are not, because they have a very good opinion about themselves and others also. Healthy. Price. It comes with a price. Very important this also. Friends and others may not like your new behavior because they know you as a person who is soft, the person who is passive, and now you are there changing your behavior. They will say like, oh my God, this person is selfish, this person has changed, he is arrogant, he is rude. This kind of things are going to happen. They will take your assertiveness as rude. Now it's up to you to decide. Changing your belief thoughts is difficult and scary because it is painful also. Because if you want to change your beliefs and thoughts, you have to go through certain pains, certain transformations, because change is painful. I mean, then it's not called change. If you want to change, you have to go through all these processes. So this is all about assertiveness, friends. My question to you is this, that do you know any person in your life, in your office, in your home who is very assertive? Or are you assertive? If you are, write down in the comments. I'd like to know. And tell what qualities you like in that person who is assertive. I'm very eager to know from your side. Hope you enjoyed this session. The next part is also equally important. Watch that part carefully. And I will tell the solutions, or I'll tell how to be assertive, different ways of asserting yourself in different situations in life. Thanks a lot for watching the video. If you're not subscribed, subscribe the channel. And please like my video if you like it. I'm there on social media, Instagram and Facebook and LinkedIn and Twitter. You can meet me there also. I will reply you. Take care of yourself and be assertive. Goodbye. Thank you.